mathematicians, it's Mrs. Evans. Today's lesson's all about equal groups. So we're going to learn to create equal groups and also to explain them. So let's get started with some mathematical language because there are some new terms and some familiar terms that we'll need to know in order to complete the lesson. The first one is equal groups, which simply means groups that are equal. The number of items in each group would be the same. It's really important that we use that term equal because it has meaning and it allows us to differentiate between an equal group and one that might not be equal. Our next term is probably a new one. It's quotative. Can you say that? Quotative. Let's do that one more time together. Quotative. So quotative means the number of groups or how many groups that you have. And that last term that we need to know is partitive, also probably a new one for you. Let's say it together. Partitive. So partitive means the number in each group. All right, mathematicians, there are 3 baskets on the screen. And I have a whole bunch of pineapples. And what I want us to do is to share those pineapples equally across each of the baskets. So let's go. It's my first pineapple and my second, my third, fourth, fifth, and my 6th one. I wonder, what do you notice? You might notice something like I do. I notice that there are equal groups. In fact, there are 2 pineapples in this basket, 2 pineapples in this basket, and 2 pineapples in this basket. Which gets me thinking. We also see repeated addition. I notice 2 plus 2 plus 2. Or I could even use my skip counting. 2, 4, 6. It tells me there's 6 pineapples in total. Another thing I notice is that there are 3 2s. And can you see how I wrote this? I have my 3 written as a number. And then I have 2s as a word. And I've done that on purpose because each of these has very different jobs. My 3 is telling me the number of groups that I have. So it's quotative. And my 2s tell me the number in each group because there's 2 pineapples in each group. And it is partitive. All right, mathematicians, this time let's try again, but only we're not going to place our pineapples in our baskets. They're already there. So have a look at the picture. What do you notice? I notice there are 2 baskets. And I also notice there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pineapples in each basket. So I could say there are 2 5s. I also notice there are equal groups, which if I use my skip counting or even my repeated addition, I have 10 pineapples in total. So 5, 10. There's a seesaw activity ready for you to try. And if you've got a paper pack, there is a worksheet for you. Think about what you've learnt in the video and how we describe our groups, and that will help you to complete your activity. Bye, mathematicians.